Guys, look at the falls! Today we're here in Qatar and we're here in the Katara Falls. And it's wonderful. And my brother is over there, inside the bushes. Look at the beautiful falls. I have an idea. I want to sit on a bench. Right now, guys, I'm sitting on a bench. And they'll sit on a bench with me. I love my little brother. He's the best. I will sit on a rock and watch it. That's it, guys. This is beautiful and wonderful. Guys, this is the fall and it's wonderful. Guys, we're here at the falls. And this is the Katara Falls. And the falls are, that falls came from there. The water goes into then falls to this. And that's where it goes. And they're made of rocks. Solid rocks. This is an amazing place, guys. It's wonderful. Follow me from the tree. Guys, these are the beautiful flowers. Mommy, get away. They just wish it was all about that he had a very nice kiss. And his wish will come true. Yeah. Guys, I need to find a rock. My wish to go to Disneyland. Guys, do you love the beautiful falls? And they're wonderful. Let's see the falls. Guys, this is the only falls in Qatar. Do you know why? Because it's made in Qatar. And we're here in Qatar. And I have my purple unicorn. It has a yellow horn. The only waterfalls in Qatar. And follow me to the tree. Ooh. Guys, look at this. Look at this flower. It's a nice color combination. I like you guys. You're the best.